Hi friends, welcome to Tech Trends. We are back with another video using GSM module. In this video, we are going to see how to get the call alert and SMS alert when fire is detected. Let's get started. The components required for this experiment are Arduino mode, GSM module, a SIM card, fire sensor, connecting cable, connecting wires, and an adapter to connect to the GSM module. Now connect the GSM shield with the Arduino board like this. Now we connected the GSM shield with the Arduino board. Now we need to insert the SIM card in the SIM card holder in the GSM module. Now we need to connect the fire sensor with the GSM shield. This fire sensor has 3 pins: VCC, ground and output pin. Connect VCC to the 5 volt in the GSM shield. Connect the ground pin with the ground pin and connect pin DO with the pin number 5 in the GSM shield. This is our connection. Now we need to connect the adapter and connect the cable to upload the program to the GSM shield. This is the adapter. We need to connect with the GSM shield like this. Now connect the Arduino board to the laptop and upload the program. Here we need to enter the mobile number where we need to get the alert call and the SMS. Also we need to install the library adafruit_fona for this program to work. Then select the board from Tools, Arduino Uno, and then also select the port. Now click this arrow button and upload the program. The program is uploaded now. We can check the output. Now I am placing the flame near the fire sensor, and now we can see the incoming call and the SMS alert.